What's up, you guys? Hey, I'm back with another fashion finesse, and today we're going to be finessing this two-piece set that I got from Value Village. As you can see, it's way too big, so the first thing I'm going to do is try the skirt on, and I'm going to mark where I want to make my cut. I'm using my rotary cutter to just cut straight across, so you should have something like this, and just put the other piece to the side. Okay, so now I'm going to try it on again because it's still slightly too big on the side. And I'm going to take like an inch or two from the side so it could be more fitted. So you just want to pin all the way down, and that is where you're going to sew. And remember to always try everything on before you start sewing. And now we're just going to sew. So just remove your pins, and I'm using my heavy duty sewing machine. And you just want to do a few stitch forward, and then I'm going to just reverse a few stitch backwards just to lock it and just sew all the way down. So once you get done sewing, now I'm just gonna hem the bottom part, and as you can see, it's all like frail and not neat. So I'm just doing a roll hem all the way around, and this is how it looks so far. So you just wanna sew where the pins are. And this is how it looks after it was sewn. You know, once you do that, you're all done with the skirt. Now onto the top, I'm cutting a rectangle piece that is 17 by 9. I took my chest measurement, divided by 2 and got 16. I added an inch for seam allowance. I also took the length I wanted my top to be, which is 8, add an inch for seam allowance and got 9. So that is where I'm getting that number from. Now you just want to line everything together, and you're going to sew the sides. Once you do that, you're going to do a fold hem. You want to make sure it's big enough because I'm going to add elastic around it, so make sure it's big enough to fit your elastic. Once you sew it, leave it an opening to fit your elastic through. So I just pin one side down with my pins, and I added a safety pin on the other end. I'm just going to feed it through the tunnel, and you just want to make sure your tunnel is big enough for the elastic and the safety pin. So you're just gonna do the same thing to the top part. And this is how it looks. And once you do that, just close the opening of the elastic. And now we're gonna make some straps. This part is optional. And I think they were like 15 inches long, and I just folded them in half. And you're just gonna pin them together, the sides down. And this is how it should look, and you're just gonna sew where the pins are. You definitely want to invest in like those inverted thingies, because I had to do this by hand and it's very annoying. So this is how they look so far. And I decided to just tuck the ends in just so it could have a neat finished look. Yeah, I just find it easier to just tuck the raw edges in and just put a pin, and you're just gonna sew like straight across the top. Okay, now I'm gonna add my straps, and because I want to wear it without the straps sometimes, so I decided to just make it detachable. Ooh, I can't talk. So I'm using this Velcro pieces that I got. I think Dollar General has them, or Dollar Tree. And if you want them to stick better, you can add some glue on the back. But yeah, so I'm just gonna attach it to my top, and this is gonna make it easy to just remove this straps just in case I don't want to wear them. Now onto the blazer. I just tried it on, and I'm gonna just use my rotary cutter to just cut straight across the top like that. I feel like it would be cuter if it was short, and I'm just gonna do a rolled hem just to make it have a clean finished look. So you're gonna just do a roll hem all the way around, and I just feel like that would help make it 10 times better. Once you sew where the pins are, you are done. And this is how it looked, you guys. I just love this. You can do this to any two-piece set that you find. They have so many of them at the thrift store, different colors, all type. And this is so versatile. You can wear it with the straps, and if you don't like the straps, you can wear it without. It's really up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.